Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's find object from letters J to L. Let's start. Find objects. Color the letter and circle the related objects. This is letter J. Let's color the letter J. This is letter J. Jeep, horse, hammer, jug, jar, joker. Let's circle the letter J object. Jeep, jug, jar, joker. Jeep, jug, jar, joker. This is letter K. First, let's color the letter K. This is letter K. Kite, king, key, ice cream, knife, hat. Let's color the letter K object. Kite, king, key, knife. Kite, king, key, knife. This is letter L. First, let's color the letter L. Lock, ladder, leaf, ice cube, hands, loin. Let's color the letter L object. Lock, ladder, leaf, lion. Lock, ladder, leaf, lion. J is for jeep, jug, jar, joker. K is for kite, king, key, knife. L is for lock, ladder, leaf, lion. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.